Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install Google Analytics 4 on Shopify. So let's get started. The correct way to install Google Analytics 4 with Shopify is to use the native integration via Google Channels app. And many businesses use the Google Channels app to add GA4 to their Shopify store. So you also automatically start tracking e-commerce events. So for that, first of all, you have to navigate to your Shopify store and then click on the apps and sales channel. After clicking settings button from the bottom left corner on the settings page, you have to click apps and sales channel button and then click on the Shopify app store button. Now you should see a screen like this, and on the search bar type Google channel in the search box and then press the enter key. And now click on the Google Channel app. Click on the Add App button. And after that, click on the Add Sales Channel button. Next, you have to click on the Connect Google Account button. In my case, it is a Reconnect Google Account because I am reconnecting my account just for the demonstration purpose. So click on the Connect Google Account button, and once you have connected your Google account to your Shopify store, you should see a screen like this. Now click on the Get Started button under the section Looking Only to Set Up Google Analytics 4. Click on the Get Started button. And now select your GA4 property from the drop down menu and then click on the Connect button. You should now see the message you have successfully set up Google Analytics 4. So that's how you can install Google Analytics 4 on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.